The firm maximizes profit in the short run when marginal revenue of the last unit produced and sold equals its marginal cost. If marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost, then an increase in output would increase profit, and a decrease in output would decrease profit. For example, if marginal revenue equals $25 and marginal cost equals $20, then profit would increase by $5 if the firm produces and sells one more unit of output. If marginal revenue is less than marginal cost, then a decrease in output would increase profit, and an increase in output would decrease profit. For example, if marginal revenue equals $40 and if marginal cost equals $40 and marginal revenue equals $30, then profit would increase by 10 if the firm produces and sells one less unit of output. If no output equates marginal cost and marginal revenue, then the firm maximizes profit by producing the last unit of output for which marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. We'll see some example of this as we do some problems. Now, marginal revenue is the extra revenue generated when a firm sells an additional unit of output. We calculate this by taking the extra revenue and dividing by the extra output when demand is constant. Marginal revenue is less than price when the firm has market power and must lower its price to increase unit sales. For example, suppose a firm must decrease price from 100 to 99 to increase unit sales from 9 to 10. Then the marginal revenue of the 10th unit is the $99 times 10 minus the $100 times 9 divided by the difference in output. Revenue goes from $990 to $900. Output's increased by 1. And when we divide the change in revenue of $90 by the change in output, we get $90. The marginal revenue of increasing output from 9 to 10 is $90. Marginal revenue equals price when the firm sells in a competitive market and can increase or decrease its output without affecting the market price. For example, suppose the firm can sell either 9 or 10 units of output when price is $100. Now the marginal revenue of the 10th unit is going to be $100 times 10 minus $100 times 9 divided by the change in output, which gives us $1,000 $1,000 minus $900 divided by 1, which is $100. In perfect competition, price equals marginal revenue. Here's an example of a menu. You can get a mimosa, $12 for the first, 1 cent refills after that. The marginal revenue of the first mimosa is $12. The marginal revenue of the second mimosa is 1 cent, and the third is 1 cent. If someone buys one mimosa, the average revenue is $12. If someone buys 2 mimosas, the average revenue is going to be $6 and a penny, or it's going to be $6 and a half penny. And if they buy 3, it's going to be $4 and $4 and 2/3 of a penny. Marginal cost. Marginal cost is the change in total cost divided by the change in output when input prices and technology are constant. It measures the extra cost the firm pays when it produces another unit of output. For example, if total cost rises from $20 to $30, when output increases from 6 to 8, then marginal revenue, then the marginal cost of each extra unit of output is $30 minus $20 divided by 8 minus 6, which is $10 divided by 2, which is $5. The firm pays $5 more for each of the 2 extra units it produces. One implication of this analysis is that commissions based on dollar sales fail to align perfectly the interest of the owners and salespeople. Salespeople paid a percentage of total revenue have an incentive to reduce price and sell more than the quantity that maximizes profit. Total revenue is maximized when marginal revenue equals 0. If marginal cost is positive and marginal revenue equals 0, a decrease in output would increase profit. And we would expect in most cases for marginal cost to be positive. It just cannot be negative. This means that maximizing total revenue also maximizes profit only when marginal cost equals 0. The implication: do not give salespeople both commissions based on dollar sales and decision rights to set price. For example, if marginal revenue equals 30 and marginal cost equals 35, a salesperson working on a commission based on dollar sales has an incentive to increase output, even though profit falls as output increases.